Hey, welcome to the Weiler cabin. Todd is walking up from the beach, and if you take a turn to the left, you'll see our cabin is right here. So after spending time at the beach, your feet get sandy. We've got a nice little foot wash here to keep the sand out of the cabin. You just turn that handle right there where Todd's got it and use it. Okay, so you're arriving at our front door. Make sure you hit the unlock button in order to enter. And so we'll quickly show you, here is where the main shutoff water valve is, under that trapdoor. There's an arrow down there pointing. If something should ever happen that you need to turn the water off, there's an arrow pointing down there showing you right there, that yellow handle, and you just quickly turn it off so we don't flood the house. So to the right as you walk in, you'll see the laundry. The taps are already shut off, and only turn them on when you need them and turn them back off when you're done. And this brown basket is where you would throw your dirty sheets, towels when you are exiting.
This is your living room. Wood burning stove, couch, television, and the eating area.
In the kitchen, and we want to show you this quick little hidden thing that some people miss. It's a pull-out, so you can spray and clean your sink. You've got coffee maker, toaster back here, microwave, stove. Down here is a dishwasher. It's kind of complicated, sort of, not really, but there's instructions right up here on the wall to help you use it. So it is actually really simple once you follow the instructions. Okay, and so this is the TV. It's, again, there's a system to using it. So we have the remote. You can explain it, Todd.
It's a Panasonic TV, so the Panasonic remote, hit the power button. That turns on the television. And then we have the satellite remote, and it is a bell remote. Just hit guide.
And you can use the volume on that remote as well, right?
Yes.
Right there.
You can turn the volume down, and there's your guide. Enjoy.
Okay, so on the other side of the living room, you can see the stairwell up. I'm just going to quickly take you upstairs so you can see the access to the master suite. And there is a futon up here, as well as a futon down there. So if you need to use those, you need to bring extra sleeping bags or sheets for that, because we don't prepare those as beds. There is a little cubby hole here with a deep freeze, but most people don't stay long enough to use it, so we just leave it unplugged. This is the master suite. There is a fan up above for cooling off in the evenings, as well as at the window. We find the cabin does cool off quite nicely. There's a balcony out here. I'm just going to give you a peek so you can see, and then you can again see there's a fire pit down there. But this is the back of the cabin we're looking at. Okay, and the master suite upstairs has a shower, toilet and sink, of course. This is the view from up above. So there's a little sitting area there. Want to read a book, play some cards. Nice view up here. And now we're back downstairs. Of course, we've got all the blinds closed because we're about to leave, but normally we would have that open and you'd see out into the beautiful front area where there's lovely lakes, and although we see cabin first. So here is the, I would say, second room. It has they're double mattresses, bunk beds, of course, and a little dresser and a little closet. And then one more, this is a queen bed, and with a set of dressers and closet as well. And every room has a fan, if you've noticed, just to keep you cool if you need. And then this is the main floor bathroom, full bath, tub and shower. There is, if you should need, a vacuum cleaner, but we use that for our cleaning when we clean up after. And we'll just go outside
Here are the steps down to the lower deck. The deck consists of some green lounge chairs, which we prefer to stay on the deck and not in the gravel area, and a picnic table with an umbrella. We have a wood pile here, if you just want to burn wood in the fire pit. Here's the axe to chop the wood, chopping block, and keep the firewood behind this little part. And there's your firewood to use.
Keep it dry, which we're getting low.
Nice and dry. On the other side of the shed, we have bicycles. There are 7 mountain bikes. 2 of them are youth and the rest are adult. And you're free to use those anytime you want. Just put them back. We also have the canoe. And this is a canoe carrier. You simply just set it down. You pick the canoe up. You place the canoe on top, and as you push down the back end of the canoe, it tilts this, and you can just wheel it to the beach area. And the paddles are
do you carry the canoe upside down or upright?
Upright.
Okay.
And the paddles are under the canoe.
Okay. And there is the fire pit. And you can use
fire pit,
those chairs.
and these chairs stay around the fire pit area.
All right.
Okay.
Enjoy your time here.